All right, let's dive into the Brooksfield Spring/Summer 2025 collection. And this is less about just a line of clothes and more of a masterclass in how to build a wardrobe that actually works for you.
It really does all start with the details, doesn't it? That subtle pattern, the feel of the fabric, even the way a button is stitched on. Before you even say a word, your clothes are telling a story. So, what story are they telling?
And that really brings us to the big challenge, right? Modern life isn't just one thing. You're going from a board meeting to a casual lunch, from a workday to a weekend trip. So how do you possibly build a wardrobe that can keep up with all of that, effortlessly, without that daily headache of figuring out what goes with what?
Well, this collection, it kind of proposes an answer. It's designed to be a system, a blueprint for a seasonal wardrobe that's smart, versatile, and stylish. It's really about having the right piece for the right moment, without having to overthink it at all.
So, let's start with the foundation. This is the hardworking core of the wardrobe, the stuff that's designed to handle all the demands of your professional life.
The whole idea here is pretty simple. You should never have to choose between looking sharp and feeling comfortable. These are the shirts that are literally engineered for those long days, for the commute, for presentations, and everything in between.
Okay, so the first pillar of this foundation is easy care. And really, this is all about practicality. It's for the person who needs to grab a shirt in the morning and really know that it's going to look just as crisp at 5 p.m. as it did at 9 a.m., with basically zero effort.
And this is how they do it, which is so smart. On the surface, you've got these classic professional micro patterns, but the magic, it's in the details. Look inside the collar, inside the cuffs. That's where you find these unexpected, vibrant prints. It's this hidden little touch of personality.
Now, the second pillar, this takes things a step further. Stretch performance. This is where that high-tech fabric innovation really meets traditional style. We're talking about building comfort and total freedom of movement right into the DNA of a business shirt.
And just because it says performance doesn't mean it's boring. Not at all. Whether it's a really bold, sketched-out palm print or a super sophisticated geometric pattern, the design is just as important as the tech in the fabric.
Okay, so we've built that foundation. Now, let's move to the next level, the upgrade. This is where you get to inject a lot more luxury and personal style into your wardrobe.
This whole part of the collection is built on this premium BCI cotton. And what that means is it comes from the Better Cotton Initiative, which is all about more sustainable cotton production. So you end up with a fabric that feels so much softer, looks richer, and it becomes the perfect canvas for designs that are all about making a statement that's totally you. And the range here is just incredible. On one hand, you have these beautiful, almost painterly scattered florals on a deep navy background. And then on the other, you have a crisp, intricate geometric pattern that feels both totally modern and completely timeless.
The variety just keeps going. You've got these super vibrant, tropical bird of paradise prints, and then you can pivot to something completely different, like this elegant, almost architectural scrollwork pattern. Every single shirt has its own unique personality. And across this entire part of the collection, you'll find the brand's signature. Look closely at this detail right here, the contrasting inner cuff. It's a small thing for sure, but it's a sign of that really thoughtful design that you see running through absolutely everything.
So you've got your work week totally covered. Now it's time for the escape. This is the part of the wardrobe that's designed for the weekends, for downtime, for when you can just finally breathe and relax.
The idea for the casual line is all about ease. The fits are a bit more relaxed, and the fabrics are chosen specifically for how comfortable and breathable they are, just perfect for that warmer weather. So the collection gives you a few key fabric choices here. You've got your classic, super versatile cotton. Then there's tensile cotton, which has this amazing soft feel and a really modern drape to it. And of course, for the height of summer, you've got pure linen, the absolute champion of breathable, relaxed style.
And this shirt just captures that whole vibe perfectly. Is there anything that says effortless summer style more than a perfectly rumpled linen shirt? It's comfortable, it's sophisticated, and it honestly just gets better the more you wear it.
Okay, we've built the foundation, we've added that expression, and we've planned our escape. Now it's time for the final piece of the puzzle, the layer that pulls it all together.
A great blazer is the ultimate wardrobe multiplier. It can instantly make a casual shirt look smarter, or it can complete a business look. These ones are designed to be structured enough to look sharp, but comfortable enough that you actually want to wear them all day.
And this is where you can really see that whole system approach just click. Notice that floral pattern in the blazer lining? It's designed to perfectly match the prints they use in the inner trims of the shirts. It's this deliberate, cohesive detail that makes putting things together completely intuitive.
And just like the shirts, the blazers come in a whole range of fabrics to suit pretty much any occasion you can think of. From pure linen and linen cotton blends for that classic summer look, all the way to modern stretch poly blends for that extra comfort and performance. So, to pull it all together, the crucial point is this. The collection is a system, and it's built on 4 distinct parts. You've got the foundation of performance shirts for work, then expression with those luxe cottons and unique prints. For downtime, you've got relaxation through breathable fabrics. And finally, completion with those versatile blazers that tie everything together. It's a complete wardrobe solution.
Which leaves us with one last thought. It's a really powerful idea, thinking of your wardrobe not as just a random pile of clothes, but as an integrated system. So the question really is your current system working as hard and as smartly for you as it could be?